Good morning, all of you. Today, the Vedant Shinde and Sarthak Patil is in front of you, and the Pravakta Academy starts a great project. That's name is Public Debate, and we are here for public debate. Our topic name is which is great, man or machine. So my side is man and my friend side is machine. So let's start it. So good morning, friends. Nowadays, every one person in our day-to-day life are using the most types of the machine. Yeah, and also after using that machine, means everyone works become easy, and also we can complete the task by the easy way. So friends, means if we will use the machine, so there will be so much benefits we will get of that. Just like means if we are doing more much hard work, so also that work can be done in by the easy way and in the less time. And also there we have no need of do more much hard work for make it. And also means if I want to give you example of more much machine, means just like means we are doing something work, and if we will do that work on the machine, so also we can know about our profit. Just like means also we will do that work on just like our with our hands, so that we will get more time. And also if we will use the modern technology and the machine, so means that work will be done in by the easy way and in the short time. So I want to tell you about means the machines are most important thing in our day-to-day life. And machines, I totally disagree with your point, because you are saying that machines help us in every sector and it make our work easy. But who made a machine? The man made a machine. Who make a program of machine? The man. The answer is man. So therefore always the man is better than the machine. And you are saying that we use machine in every sector, but to use a machine in every sector is harmful for us. It's harmful for our human life, because if we are using machines in every work, so in future the humans, they are lost their jobs by the machines. And also means example of JCB, means at the past the more much people have to do work of the road, but nowadays its work happen by the easily by the JCB. But so the jobs of that people they lost. So if we are using more much machines in every sector, so also we are lost our thinking power. Yes, we lost our thinking power, because it's totally depend upon our thinking power how we use the machines. So therefore lot of use of machines is also harmful for us. And the man made the machine, so therefore man is always great than the machine. So therefore by that all points we know that the man is always great than the machine from at the past and now, and also in future the man is always great than the machine. Okay. So friends, just like Vedant tell us, machines are made by a human, but it's totally right. But means nowadays, if humans are using the different types of the machine, so he is great because he made the machine and he know how we have to use it. And also means Vedant also told us about means there is happening side effects of that and on our day-to-day life. So means also means in our day-to-day life, if we will use that things properly, so also there will not be occur any side effects of that. And I want to say you about means if we are using such like the machine, so before using that machines we have to know how we have to use it. Also we have to know that if we didn't use it properly, so what side effects will be occur on our day-to-day life of that, and also on our health. So means I want to tell you about means we have to use it properly. And next I want to give you the example of the mobile. Means if we will use the mobile properly, so there will not be any side effects of that occur in our day-to-day life. And friends, means I want to also give you the example of the corona situation. Means at that time no one can go outside of the home, and everyone was doing their work, and also they were studying on the mobile. So machines are very great. And also means we don't have to think about what is side effects occurring of that. We have to only think about that why we are using it improperly, and also means how can we use it properly, and what best effects are going out, and also we get from that things. Thank you. So I totally disagree with your point, because you're saying that we want not thinking about the side effects of machine, but it's the important need of our human life, because the machines are polluted our base of human, and by the that at the future means the side effects of machine happening in our day-to-day life and also our human life. So means not focusing on the side effects of machines is harmful for us, and you are giving example of the pandemic situation, corona pandemic situation, but we know the reality means how the people using mobile, how the students using mobile in pandemic situation, means they take mobile for the online classes, but they are wasting their time at the social media. The useless thing means wastage means the students they are wasting their time at such a useless thing, social media, and by the that means they are lost their knowledge, they lost the thinking power. Also the example of small childs means the small childs they want mobile, they want machines, they want everything at this small age. So means by the that their thinking power also damaged, and their eyes was also damaged from the childhood. So therefore the machines makes means they have so much harmful effects. The machine of means that depend upon us how to use machine, means this depend upon human how we use the machine. If we use goodly, so it's good, and if we use badly, so they have side effects. Means they is totally upon human. Therefore the human is always great than the machine, because the all control of machine is depend upon human, and if human not operate the machine, so means machine can't work properly. So thank you. जर तुम्हालाही आमची सारखी इंग्रजी बोलायची असेल तर आताच जॉईन करा प्रवक्ता अकॅडमी, बिकॉज युअर व्हॉइस इज युअर पॉवर. थँक्यू.